Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Sunday, but it's the Sunday before Thanksgiving. Are you ready? Robin and I went shopping this morning. Hopefully, if I've done my due diligence, we have everything for the week, including Thanksgiving. The only thing I'm going to pick up this week, later in the week, is a fresh loaf of sourdough bread for dinner, for Thursday's dinner. So, let me into a little secret about one of my recipes. It's my chili mac. I've hidden this from you folks for a long time, and I'm going to reveal it today. And here we go. My chili mac consists of prepared macaroni and cheese, ground turkey, a container of pico de gallo, original taco mix, and I add a little extra kick to it. This time I'm going to be using chipotle chili powder. Don't hate me. It's comfort food. This week we are trying to, or at least I'm trying to, keep things simple in my kitchen. So I have plenty of refrigerator space. My turkey is already in the icebox. So this week, the chili mac tonight, we're having BLS's tomorrow. Bacon, let me think about that. Bacon, tomato, and sprouts. So a BTS. Behind the scenes. Nope, not really. So we're doing bacon tomorrow. Wednesday, or Tuesday, we're doing a baked potato bar. And Wednesday, because I'm going to be busy prepping for Thursday, we're doing a Papa Murphy's take and bake pizza. It's the development we made basically is going to be Hawaiian pizza. But we add the pineapple here. So Thursday, obviously, that's going to be Thanksgiving. And got a big smorgasbord going on with that. Not a smorgasbord, but big dinner for just Robin and I. So then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, leftover soup, on and on and on. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So I actually had to move some stuff over to my island. So, have a great Sunday. For you football watchers, watch some great football. Have a great day, and have fun cooking.